Science, often portrayed as a rigid pursuit of facts and formulas, holds a surprising secret. It thrives on complexity. Today, we delve into this beautiful mess, exploring how intricate interactions, unpredictable systems, and the interplay of chance and order shape our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Imagine a pendulum swinging gracefully. This predictable motion exemplifies a simple system, readily explained by physics. But nature rarely operates in such clear-cut ways. Enter complex systems, where seemingly simple components interact in a multitude of ways, leading to astonishingly unpredictable outcomes. Imagine a flock of birds, each following simple rules. Yet, collectively, they create intricate patterns, like a murmuration. Complexity arises from these numerous, interconnected parts: the birds, the wind, their individual behaviors, all influencing the emergent whole. Weather systems exemplify this chaos. For instance, a butterfly flapping its wings on one continent can, in theory, influence a hurricane on another. This butterfly effect underscores the sensitivity of complex systems, where small changes can lead to vastly different outcomes. While this interconnectedness can seem chaotic, it also creates a fascinating interplay between order and randomness. Complex systems can exhibit self-organization, spontaneously forming patterns and structures without any central control. This is the essence of emergence, simple parts giving rise to complex wholes. Even life itself embodies complexity. Our bodies, built from billions of interacting cells, are governed by a complex interplay of genes, environment, and random mutations. This intricate dance shapes development, evolution, and ultimately, our unique existence. Unveiling the secrets of complexity demands a collaborative effort. Physicists, biologists, ecologists, scientists across disciplines are bridging the gaps, developing new tools like computer simulations to model and predict complex systems' behavior. This collaboration is crucial for addressing global challenges like climate change, where human activities interact with complex natural systems. From the dance of galaxies to the symphony of life on Earth, science embraces the beautiful mess of complexity. It is a humbling reminder that scientific understanding is not about absolute answers but about a continuous journey of exploration, where unexpected discoveries and unforeseen connections lie around every corner.